Hey, not done yet, adventurers. Wayne here. If you enjoy our content, please slap a little mud on that subscribe button and help us out.
All right, so we're on the trail on Hatfield McCoy with Keith, who rides overland with us and trails. And Keith did a trip to Idaho, circling the Frank. And he's got a, what year? General?
21.
21 General. And he carries a bunch of products for fixing flats, fixing tire repair stuff. And we're going to interview him for something that he had to do to get going on the trail. You know, Idaho, real remote, nobody to help you, had to get the machine off the trail. So here's Keith. Tell us about what he did and what product he liked and ended up working.
So during the trip, my son's got a sidewall slash, about a 1/4-inch slash on the sidewall, right in the middle, no high spots, no low spots. And one of the products on the internet you see is they swear by fixing the sidewall. Well, if you sit there and follow their steps, it's probably an hour-and-a-half process. Put it on, wait 30 minutes, put this on, wait another hour, and get it done. Well, we did this, followed the steps step by step, got in it, filled the tire up, bubbles all around the patch. Ripped it off, did it again. So now we're sitting there 3.5 hours on the top of this mountain in Idaho in the middle of nowhere, and decided to go into the bag and pull out the
Sidewall Slug.
Sidewall Slug. Slipped that thing in there, tightened it down, filled it up with air in not less than 10 minutes, and we were gone. We were on the road. That was 1.5 years ago, and he's still running that same tire today with the Sidewall Slug with no problems. So I swear by the Sidewall Slug. It's a good product.
So other backstory to that, we when we do this overlanding stuff, we carry so much gear that we don't have room for spare tires. So tire repair is in the back of our mind all the time. You get stuck out in the middle of a mountain, 100 miles away from civilization, you got to get the machine off, and without a spare tire, you got to have reliable products. Plugs are good for the tread of the tire, but I saw this Sidewall Slug and reached out to the guy, and he sent me a business card, and I bought a few, and actually all of us carry those now anywhere we go. We just got back from another trip to Idaho. We're at Hatfield McCoy today. We got some other trips planned for next year. So yeah, great product. And that's a real life story of, a guy out in the middle of nowhere, tried a bunch of products to get it to work, nothing worked, and, had this Sidewall Slug, wasn't sure about it. It was a new product to him. Put it on, 10 minutes later, he's moving again. All right, I will...
Robbie, what are you doing?
Putting the crime scene on there.